product of two vectors, scalar or dot product. The scalar or dot product of two vectors A and B is a scalar which is equal to the product of the magnitude of vector A and vector B and cosine of the smaller angle between them. That is, vector A dot vector B equals to AB cos theta. Example, W equals to vector F dot vector S, P equals to vector F dot vector V. Properties of scalar or dot product. I cap dot I cap equals to J cap dot J cap equals to K cap dot K cap equals to 1. I cap dot J cap equals to J cap, K cap equals to K I equals to 0. A dot B equals to A in bracket A B cos theta equals to B in bracket A cos theta. The dot product of a two vector can be interpreted as the product of the magnitude of one vector and the magnitude of component of the other vector along the direction of first vector. Then third point, vector A dot vector B equals to vector B dot vector A dot product of two vectors is commutative. Fourth, vector A dot vector B equals to A square. Fifth, vector A dot in bracket vector B plus vector C equals to vector A dot vector B plus vector A dot vector C. Dot product is distributive. Vector A vector B equals to AXI plus AYJ plus AZK in bracket close dot open bracket AX I plus BYJ plus BZK equals to AX BX plus BY AY plus AZ BZ. Then vector or cross product. The vector product of two vectors is defined as vector having magnitude equal to the product of two vectors and sine of the angle between them. Its direction is perpendicular to the plane contained the two vector. Direction of the vector is given by right hand screw rule or right hand thumb rule. Vector C equals to vector B into vector A equals to AB sin theta and cap. The direction the direction of vector A in cross vector B perpendicular to the plane containing vector A and vector B in the sense of advance of the right hand screw rotate from vector A to vector B is through the smaller angle between them. Then this diagram is given here. Example, vector V equals to omega into R, torque equals to R cross F, L equals to R cross P. Then properties of vector or cross product. I cross I equals to J cross J equals to K cross K equals to 0. Second, I cross J equals to K, J cross K equals to I, K cross I equals to J. Then vector A cross vector A equals to 0. Fourth, vector A cross vector B is not equals to vector B cross vector B, not commutative. Vector A cross vector B equals to minus vector A minus vector B. Fifth, vector A cross vector B plus C equals to vector A cross B plus vector A cross C. Follow distributive law. Then sixth, vector A cross vector B equals to AXI plus AYJ plus AZK cross AXI plus BYJ plus BZK. Then this process is given as shown in this page. Then fifth, the cross product of two vectors represent the area of parallelogram formed by them. Then next, here diagram is given. Focus on this diagram and read as is follows. A magnitude of vector A cross vector B equals to A in bracket B sin theta equals to area of parallelogram PQRS equals to 2 in in bracket area of triangle PQR. Then 8th, a unit vector which is perpendicular to A as well as B is vector A cross vector B upon magnitude of vector A cross vector B equals to magnitude of vector A cross B upon AB sin theta. Then points where keep in your memory. First, cos theta equals to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz upon under root of a square x plus b square a square x ay square plus bz square into under root of bx square plus by square plus bz square equals to a vector dot vector b upon magnitude of vector a upon into magnitude of vector b. Then tan theta equals to vector vector a cross vector b upon a vector dot b equals to ab sin theta upon ab cos theta. Then third properties is a cross b का whole square plus a dot b square equals to a square b square. Fourth, then these properties as read as continue. Then it is too difficult to read the one question one properties because it's too long to read. Then I will start condition of zero resultant vector and Lamis theorem. If the three vector acting on a point object at the same time are represented in the magnitude and direction by the three sides of a triangle taken in order, then three resultant is 0 and the three vector are said to be equilibrium. f1 plus f2 plus f3 equals to 0. Then Lamis theorem is given. Lamis theorem, it is stated that if three process acting at a point are in equilibrium, then each force is proportional to the sine of the angle between them. The formulas were given to this diagram. f1 upon sine alpha equals to f2 upon sine beta equals to f3 upon sine gamma, or f1 upon pq equals to f2 qr equals to f3 pr. Then these points are over. Thank you. We end this video at the moment.